Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nikki Foster, and on this channel I share home DIY and lifestyle content. I have not done one of these videos in a while where I show you guys how to decorate your table for the upcoming holiday. I recently did my dining room makeover, so if you guys didn't catch that, I'll link the video in the description box below. And then I also did my dining room floors. And so now I want to kind of just start styling for the holidays. And you know, when I started this channel, this was one of the things I wanted to do, just kind of do like table settings and, you know, document what I did for which holiday. And today's one of those days. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do an easy Easter table setting, and then just a couple of crafty projects that's easy just to decorate for the holidays. That's pretty fun. Without further ado, we can just get into the video. I'm getting started by placing the chargers along the table. I got these pretty light blue and white gingham chargers from Michaels. They're plastic, lightweight, reusable, so they can be used for other occasions too. Then I'm using my Corel plates to put right on top of the gingham chargers. These are my everyday plates. I purchased white to be able to reuse these for occasions like this and keep my dish items to a minimum. I recently purchased these vases from Target, and I'm going to be using them again on the table. So I'm using this thick wired ribbon from Michaels. It's really pretty and light blue. The light blue ribbon I'm using as an extra decorative element for my sconces that I installed in one of my other videos. I love this because it's easy to do and it only takes a few minutes to add a simple touch of elegant decoration. Next up, I'm making this pretty and simple Easter banner on my Cricut. I've already designed this Happy Easter banner in Cricut Design Space, and you guys, if you are interested in downloading it or making it yourself, you can find it on there. Okay, so for the Easter banner, I'm actually really excited about this. I'm going to be using this nice thick cardstock. This is called Craft Board. You can find it on Cricut's website or probably on Amazon too. This is Craft Board. It is really sturdy, perfect for when you're wanting to create paper projects, but you want it to be like a sturdier back. This paper is like amazing. So I'm going to be using this craft board. I'm using the standard grip mat. The green one is the standard grip mat. And I'm going to put this on here and just cut out the backing for the letters. Once the letters are all cut out, I remove them from the mat. Then I load the Cricut Maker 3 with the Smart Iron-On material for the next step. The gold glitter iron-on material cuts out pretty quickly. Now I'm just weeding out the letters, which is basically removing the negative space from the sheet, and then I cut the letters out individually. Under here is where I store all my Cricut machines. For this, I'm using the Easy Press 2 because it's the best size for the project that I'm working on. Okay, so I have my design all cut out, ready to go. So I have the cardstock and then the gold. This is the Smart Iron-On. I'm basically going to place it onto the white cardstock, and then I'm just going to use the heat press at 290 degrees for 30 seconds. And then that'll be it. Also, one other thing to note is I am going to be using the parchment paper. Remember the parchment paper I had picked up from Sam's Club in that other day in the life video? Well, this is basically what I'm using. It's parchment paper just from the grocery store. And I'm going to use it to protect the cardstock. I really like using Smart Iron-On with cardstock. This is just an easy way to make something feel special and high-end without making a mess. Also, when I'm using the heat press, I'm just kind of eyeing where the center is and making sure not to cover the holes that have been cut out at the top. And I also peel the plastic off once the letters are cooled down. Then, as a final touch, I'm using a pretty light blue and white gingham ribbon to pull through the holes. I like this method because if I wanted to save these letters for next year and just swap out the ribbon, the neutral colors that are on the Happy Easter makes it easy to do so. And then I'm just hanging it up in front of this mirror to make it look festive. This was another style flower that I got from Michaels, and I'm just putting them in the vases. And this was that bunny ceramic that I picked up from Home Goods. I'm using these cute Easter plates on top of the white plates so it's easier for cleanup. And the same thing with these gold utensils. I'm just using them because it's going to be easier for cleanup after dinner. I got this cute tiny picnic in a box from my subscription box from Archer and Olive, and it actually has stickers in it, but instead of the stickers, I'm gonna use it for some chocolates. And then I'm setting the table with my real glassware that I already had. I don't like clutter, so I do like to use what I already have in certain instances so that I don't accumulate too much stuff in my current house. I also picked this really cute tray up from Michael's. I just love the way it looked. And these cute little eggs are from the dollar store. I'm just gonna open these up and mix out like this. All right, so I am almost all set. So in my last video, I basically went shopping for my kids' Easter basket. And I found a couple of good things. So this is one of the baskets I found at Five Below. And now I'm just gonna stuff them with all the different things that I found. All right, so I got two different baskets. Let me get my scissors. I'm just gonna stuff, got flowers, stuff the bottoms with the grass. So for Ari, I got him a big Easter activity book. So it has tons of stickers in it, which is appropriate for his age, which is about 3.5. And then I got him, let me take the sticker off of here. I got him a Super Mario one. So that also has lots of stickers in it. So it's more of a 7-year-old book. Both of them I got books for. I went to Ollie's, so you can see the price is only like $4 for this. My son loves Peter Pan, so I got him a Peter Pan book. This novel will be something that he can enjoy and read. So put that in there. I'm probably gonna have to figure out how to stick something over that because that looks kind of stupid. And then Ari, I got him a smaller book, Your Nose by Sandra Boynton. I love her books, and he actually loves her books too. Okay, I got them both chalk, Play-Doh, and then more I got him some Sonic the Hedgehog Uno cards. So I got this large Easter egg. I was gonna put something else in it, but it didn't fit, so I ended up just putting a gift card in this. Okay, so I'm gonna be putting flowers in here. I'm gonna be doing these a little bit different than the other ones. I was able to just stick them right into the vase. I'm just gonna bend these to see how they fit into the vase, so they can fit a little lower. Let me see. So that looks good, but I'm gonna do 2 of these in this one. So they fit like nice and low, and kind of looks nice with the vase. I actually thought I was gonna have to cut these, but turns out I don't. And with these flowers, I'm just spacing them out a little bit so that they look a little bit more realistic. So this is what I'm doing. I'm just kind of fluffing them out. And here I am gathering a few supplies to paint eggs. I had already hard boiled them and they're cooled off. Also, this silicone mat is available in the description box below. I love using it so I don't make a mess anytime I'm crafting. And about the eggs, I ended up just painting them like light blue, and I think I did one with like polka dots or something in it. But next year, I kind of want to decorate them really intricately. I've seen a few designs on Pinterest and I was like so inspired. What do you like doing best, dyeing eggs or painting them? Let me know in the comment box below. And here's how the table and all the decorations turned out. This was a quick and easy table decor setting for Easter. I am in the middle of a floor project, so I did keep the decorations pretty minimal this year, but I wanted to decorate a little bit for the season just to make it feel a little bit festive. I'm glad I was able to pick up some faux flowers at least and some bunny ceramics even to use for the next year. Like I mentioned before, I don't overdo it with decorations because I just really don't like clutter and I don't have the space to keep a ton of stuff for each holiday in my current house, so I try to reuse where I can. Anyway, I hope this DIY Easter table decor and table decorations inspired you in any kind of way for this season or the next. So thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you guys liked it. Again, this was something that I've been wanting to do again for a while, and I really was inspired by Easter and just springtime. So I wanted to just kind of showcase a quick little like decor setup that is like kind of simple and easy to do. One of my favorite features was adding the bows to the wireless lights. Remember in my other dining room makeover video, I had showed you guys that I installed those wireless lights. So those are not installed with real electricity. Those are like wireless lights. So that was one of the things that I thought was like really a nice good hack that I found. Something that I normally don't do, but I'm glad that I did do now, was use fake flowers. So I was able to like have them, and I can just use those through the spring if I wanted or whenever. I do like using fresh flowers, but sometimes I don't always get to go to the market to get them, or sometimes the market doesn't have what I'm looking for. So it's nice to have those just like on hand just in case. I did use real glassware because that's what I had already. And then the banner. So the Happy Easter banner, you guys still see it there. That is going to be available on Cricut Design Space. So you guys can go check that out if you're wanting it for, you know, next Easter or this Easter even. I did use a blue and white gingham ribbon, and you can use it whatever color ribbon you want. So that's pretty much it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Peace. Again, let me start over. Almost forgot to do my outro. If you guys enjoyed it, let me just start this over. Ari, I'm recording, dude. I don't know what to say about that.
Everybody in the video, give mommy 1 billion and 1,000 subscribers. See you later, alligators.